Hello! Today, we will learn about tenses. Tenses help us talk about time. This is a timeline for our words. Let's start with the three main types. We have past, present, and future. The past tense is for things that finished. I baked a cake yesterday.
I mixed the flour already.
Past tense often ends with -ed. An hour ago, I walked to the park. I finished my exercise then. Ha!
I clicked the button a second ago.
I wish you flame. Why no? I washed these clothes this morning. The task is completed. I rested for 10 minutes. Now, let's talk about the present. I eat an apple every day. I drink lots of water. Later. The plant grows in the sun.
The present is about right now.
I am speaking to you now. I'm alright. I see your happy face. I wear a green shirt today. I search for my favorite mug. The tea smells wonderful. Finally, we have the future. Future. I will plan my day tomorrow. We, Tagbalban, will go to the market. I will drive to the city. I will clean the house later. I will cook soup tonight. The soup will be hot. I will sleep well tonight. I will wake up early. See how the verb changes? Whoa. This part shows it is finished. But the soup will be hot. Daughter sire, vapend. They tell the listener when it happened.
When we use the right tense, we are clear. Professional speaking needs good grammar.
You will speak like a pro soon.
Tenses are used everywhere.
Ooh. Write Pepsi Group Bar. Write 5 sentences every day.
Flashcards are great for practice.
Lesson point da. Some verbs are irregular.
Yesterday, it rained.
Today the sun shines. Tomorrow it will be beautiful. Oh. Confidence comes from knowing the rules. Ooh. Now you know the secret. No. Who love lurching stav jarwol? Learning English is a journey.
Take your time with each word. Make a plan for tomorrow.
Look good to feel good. Yes, that is a good point. Very worry. One last tip for today. Believe in yourself, always. Speak English with a smile. Eat healthy for a sharp mind. Break big goals into small pieces. Study even in the evening. Write emails to practice. Hello! Hanfo! You finished the lesson! Keep your notes organized. It is raining cats and dogs. Flashcards are very helpful. Match your face to the word. Ho. 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 Think. About. The. Rules. The day is ending nicely. Nature is amazing. The house is quiet as the day ends at the front door. The home is safe and peaceful under the night sky.